What is a gratitude journal? It is a diary, kept daily or weekly, where you record things you are thankful for. This simple practice helps shift your focus away from negative thoughts and toward positive emotions, supporting the development of a lasting abundance mindset. The history of gratitude journaling is deep. It traces back to ancient roots, including Stoic reflections like those found in Marcus Aurelius's Meditations. In the late 90s, positive psychology began studying gratitude scientifically, leading to breakthroughs that show how writing down good things can actively improve well-being. A gratitude journal relies on three key components: regularity, reflection, and recording. Practicing consistently builds your mindset, while intentionally pausing to notice small moments helps you appreciate life. Finally, physically writing things down helps you process complex emotions and solidify positive memories. In the real world, gratitude journals are used widely. In healthcare, therapists use them to help patients manage stress and improve sleep. In workplaces and schools, they are implemented to build resilience, reduce burnout, and increase overall satisfaction by fostering better connections. Looking ahead, the future of gratitude journals is evolving. We are seeing a shift toward digital integration with AI-guided apps and the rise of wearable technology that tracks the physiological benefits of these habits. Ultimately, the practice is becoming a globally recognized tool for daily well-being.